Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Brave browser on Ubuntu 22.04. You can install the Brave browser by downloading a DEB package and installing it manually, or by using the apt repository, which has compiled packages ready for installation with the apt package manager. Do a system update of the package index. Next, import the Brave repository GPG key into the Ubuntu system. Then, add the Brave browser repository to the system. After that, update your package index and install the Brave web browser on Ubuntu 22.04. After installation, you can launch the Brave web browser on Ubuntu from the desktop environment menu. Brave browser can also be launched on Ubuntu from the terminal shell. Then, follow the welcome tour guide to finish your setup. Finally, enjoy browsing with Brave on the Ubuntu 22.04 desktop system.